Your mind is the engine. Your dreams are the fuel, drive towards greatness. Success isn't a destination. It's the courage to keep moving forward. The world doesn't wait for perfection. It rewards action. Start now. You don't need all the answers to begin. Just begin, and the answers will come. Your potential is like the sunrise. No matter how dark the night, it will rise again. Every challenge is a secret invitation to become stronger than you were yesterday. Your best life isn't ahead of you or behind you. It's within you, waiting to be lived. Dream big, work hard, stay consistent. Your future self is counting on you.